Hello friends, Namaskar. Welcome to a new class, new session. And in today's class, we'll also discuss some new point of agriculture. And I hope you will like these videos. And if you like these videos, then please like, share these videos. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel. It's mandatory. So I think we should start now. So anyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option. Okay. So I think we should start now. And please share these videos in your groups. Okay, this is mandatory. So our first question is means question number 28. Every group, select the component of the green revolution by using the given codes. Means we have these components and we have to choose that what will be the correct option for the given question. What is the correct option for given question? As I promised you that within some classes we will try to finish whole agriculture topics as well as the agriculture questions. Okay, so I hope you will like these videos. Before liking these videos, please share these videos to your groups as well as your family friends. Some Mohit Thakur is there. Superb class, Sarji. Thank you, Mohit. I hope you are doing well. So the question is, select the component of green revolution by using the codes given below. Okay, the code one is there, high yielding varieties of seeds. Okay, high yielding variety of seeds, yeah, that could be true. Second is the irrigation. Third is the rural electrification, and fourth is the rural road and marketing. So select the component of green revolution. So as I think option 1 and 2 is correct, but I am still waiting for the comments. I am still waiting for comments that what will be the correct option for the given question. That what will be the correct option for the given question. Okay. So as I told you, whenever we have to talk about the green revolution, whenever we have to talk about the green revolution, so the main component for the green revolution is, okay, some Mohit Thakur is saying option A. Well done, Mohit, doing well. Very good. So because if we are going to start the green revolution, so mainly some questions will be asked on the basis of green revolution. First thing is there, that who is the father of green revolution? In that condition you can say Sir Norman Borlaug. Norman Borlaug is the father of green revolution. Okay, when we talk about the Indian context, so Sir MS Swaminathan, Dr. MS Swaminathan, Dr. MS Swaminathan is known as the father of Indian Green Revolution. So I think these points are clear to all of you. These points are clear to all of you. Okay. So and the question was, because in Green Revolution, okay, when we talk about the Green Revolution, something should be kept in mind. Some things, or you can say some points, should be kept in mind, because in green revolution there is need of high yielding crops, there is need of high yielding varieties. So option 1 is correct, because high yielding varieties of seeds are used. Because uh, generally when we talk about the green revolution, so the species of Mexican weeds, the species of Mexican weeds have been used. Okay, good evening, Anchal. So the species of Mexican wheats have been used most frequently in the green revolution, and the wheat is a crop which have gained the maximum utilization of that green revolution. So high yielding varieties of seeds, that's true. Second is irrigation. Okay, irrigation, yeah, irrigation is also good, because for high yielding crops there is need of proper irrigation, there is need of proper irrigation. So now you can correlate that why these irrigations are important. If you have any confusion about the irrigation, so irrigation is a term in which we provide water to the plants, and that term is known as the irrigation. Okay, that term is known as irrigation. So that's true that the irrigation is also correct. So option 1 and 2 is correct. Option 1 and 2 is correct, because there is no need of rural electrification, and for rural road and marketing, these are not important. So the main thing is the 1 and 2. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. Now we can say, sir, option A is correct. Okay, so now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is, match list A, match list first with list second, and select the correct answers from the codes given below. Okay, means we have to list 1 and list 2, and we have to correlate that which of the following option is correct. Okay, these are the growth in foods. Okay, this is list second. So anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions at a proper way. Yeah, I am still waiting for response that what will be the correct option for these questions. Yeah, that what will be the correct option of these questions. Anyone who is live, please try to provide the correct option for the given question. Okay, so in the second questions we have to list 1 and list 2, and that is the growth in foods, milk production, fisheries and fertilizers. And these had the okay, means this is related to the revolutions, that which revolution is related to which. So fisheries, as you know that the fisheries or fish is related with the blue revolution. It is related with the blue revolution. So C is relating with 2. C is relating with 2. So we have option C is relating with 2. C2. So we have option 1 is correct because C is relating with option 2. So we have option 2 is correct. Okay, but we will also try to match something. Milk production. Milk production is related to the white revolution. Milk production is related to the white revolution and Sir Vergis Kurian. Okay, there is a scientist Sir Vergis Kurian is known as the father of white revolution. Sir Vergis Kurian is known as the father of white revolution. So that's true. So we have two options. Then growth in food. So that's true. That growth in food is also known as green revolution production, and that is the fertilizer is the gray revolution. Fertilizer is the gray revolution. That's correct. So we have all these options. So now you can correlate that which of the following is correct. Okay, that which of the following is correct. After that, we will move to the next question, and our next question is pink revolution is associated with. Okay, pink revolution is associated with, and we have options A cotton, C garlic, B garlic, C grapes, and D onion. And these questions have been asked in UPPSC mains 2010. These questions have been asked in UPPSC mains 2010. So now you can correlate that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Yeah, and I'm still waiting for a response. I am still waiting for a response. And I'm still waiting for a response that what will be the correct option of these questions. So anyone who is live, please try to provide me the correct option of these questions. Many people are live. Okay, it's a good thing. Yeah, please try to provide me the correct option. Please try to provide me the correct option. Okay, so our correct option will be, so please, as I'm saying, try to choose the correct option. Try to choose the correct option of these questions. Well, I think it's not a tough question. It's a simple question. It's a simple question. I think all of you have heard these questions in the class 8th or 9th. So, well, uh, pink revolution is associated with the onion. It is associated with the onion production, to increase the onion production. To increase the onion production. So I think now you can correlate. So I think now you can correlate that which of the following is correct. So that's option D. Now we will try to move the next session, and the next session is the black revolution is related to the black revolution is related to the A fish production, B coal production, C crude oil production, D mustard production, and E, none of the above or more than one of the above, and D, none of the above or more than one of the above. So please tell me what will be the correct option of these questions. And these questions have been asked in BPSC 2016, in Bihar pieces 2016. So I am sure that all of you can correlate. I'm sure that all of you can correlate that what will be the correct option of these questions. Do fast. I'm still waiting for your answers. I'm still waiting for your answers. I'm still waiting for your answers. Do fast, everyone. Yeah, anyone who is live, please provide me the correct option. That what will be the correct option of these questions. Well, the correct option will be the Black Revolution is related to the A, fish production, B, coal production, C, crude oil production, and D, mustard production. So as you know that the fish production is known as fish production is known as the Blue Revolution, but the crude oil production is known as the Black Revolution. That is related to the Black Revolution. So anyone who have provided me the correct option, they should clap for themselves. They should clap for themselves. So our option C is correct. So our option C is correct. So now we'll move to the next question. Our next question is okay. This is in some different forms. So now you can correlate that which of the following is correct. Okay. So the question is, what is the true about the second green revolution? What is true about the second green revolution in India? Means you have to choose that what will be the correct option of these questions. So I think these questions are also visible. Okay, I'm sure that these questions are also visible. Okay, so the question is, what is true about the, I think that's not visible properly or not. Okay, my quality is down, that's why I'm unable to see these questions. So the question is, what is true about the second green revolution in India? What is true about the second green revolution in India? First, it aims at further increasing the production of wheat and rice in areas already benefited from the green revolution. Okay. Second is there, it aims, option second is there, it aims at exceeding seed water fertilizer technology to areas which hetero could not benefit from green revolution. Third, it aims at increasing yield of crops other than those used for the green revolution in the beginning. Fourth, it aims at it aims at increasing croppings with the animal husbandry, social forestry, and fisheries. Okay, what is true about the second green revolution in India? So please tell me that what will be true about second green revolution in India? What will be, okay, I think I should cite. Okay, what will be true about second green revolution in India? So everyone who is live, please try to provide me that what will be the correct option of these questions. Yeah, I'm still waiting for a response. I'm still waiting for a response that what will be the correct option of these questions. That what will be the correct option of these questions. Okay, I know that these questions are visible. Okay, yeah, these questions are visible properly, so it's a good thing. So now you have to say that what will be the correct option of these questions. Yes, everyone, please try to provide me the correct option of these questions. Many people are alive, but I don't know why you are not interested in these questions. As I'm saying, these have huge importance. These questions have huge importance for your exams. That's why all of you should try to attempt these questions. Yeah, yes, my humble request to all of you. Please try to attempt these questions. I'm still waiting for a response that what will be the correct option of these questions. Answer me fast. Many people are alive, but I don't know what happens to them. Well, whenever you have time, try to answer these questions. What is the true about the second green revolution in India? A, it aims at further increasing the production of wheat and rice in areas already benefited from the green revolution. Yeah, that's true. Second, it aims at exceeding seed water fertilizer technology, okay, to areas which heteros could not benefit from green revolution. Okay, second is true. It aims at increasing yield of crops other than those used for green revolution in the beginning. Okay, that is also correct. Is also correct. It aims at integrating croppings with the animal husbandry, social forestry, and fishing. Okay, that's correct. Fourth is also correct. But the two options which have option one is there. It aims at further increasing the production of wheat and rice in areas already benefit from the green revolution. No, that's not true because we have already gained so much knowledge in that area. So that's not true. B, it aims at exceeding seed water technology fertilizer technology to areas with row could not benefit from the university. Yeah, that's true. C, it aims at increasing yield of crops other than those. Okay, so option 2 and 3 is correct. So we have option B. So option 2 and 3 is correct. Okay, so now we'll move to the next question. And the next question is, which of the following condition indicates the impact of global warming? Which of the following condition? Okay, which of the following condition indicates the impact of global warming? Select the correct answers from the codes given below. Select the correct answers from the codes given below. Everyone, select the, and that question was asked in ISP 2009. Okay, that question was asked in ISP 2009. Which of the following condition indicates the impact of global warming? Impact of global warming. Okay, select the correct answers from the codes given below. A, melting of glaciers. B, rise in sea level. C, changes in weather conditions. And 4, rise in global temperature. And fourth, rise in global temperature. So please, everyone who is live, please try to attend these questions. Because we have studied much about the global warming, because in global warming the temperature increases, and due to which various hazardous things have been happen for the environment as well as for the ecosystem. So when we talk about the global warming, so melting of glaciers, yeah, that's true. Melting of glaciers will be there because in global warming, when the temperature will increase, when the temperature of environment or you can say ecosystem or atmosphere will increase, so due to which various glaciers, because glaciers are mainly made up of ice, so when the temperature will increase, these glaciers will be depleted. Okay, so that's true. The melting of ice will be there. Yeah, that's true. Ice will melt. Second, rise in sea level. Yeah, that's true. Because when there will be melting of glaciers, when there will be melting of glaciers, so in that condition, I don't know what happens to this. If there is melting of glaciers, if there is melting of glaciers, I'm not live. I don't know what happens to this. Okay. So as I'm saying, in that condition, melting of glaciers. Okay, because when the glaciers will melt down, so that's true that the water will flow in the rivers, and after the rivers, these will travel in the seas. So that's true that the sea level will also increase. So option second is also correct. Second, change in weather condition. That's also true because due to global warming, various changes will be there in the global warming. So that's also true. Rise in global temperature, as I told you in the first sentence, because if there is global warming, so there will be raise in global temperature. That's also true. So we have all these options after option 1, 2, 3. So all these are correct. So you can say, so option D is correct. So it's a simple questions, and I think all of you can attend these questions. Now we'll move to the next question. That is sentence and reason. Sentence is there. Green revolution has resulted in growth of food grain production in India. Okay. Green revolution has resulted in the growth of food grain production in India. It was sentence number 1. Reason: regional disparities have been aggravated due to green revolution in India. Okay. So we have two sentences, and that question was asked in Rajasthan pieces in 2016. The question was asked in Rajasthan pieces in 2016. Okay. So now you can correlate that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Do fast. I'm still waiting. This question is also very simple. This question is also very simple, and I'm sure that all of you can tackle. Well, the question is, green revolution has resulted the growth of food grain production in India. That's true, because due to green revolution, our food production has increased at a drastic level, at a huge level. So that's true. Option 1 is correct. Reason is there. Regional disparities have been aggravated due to green revolution in India. No, that's not true, because green revolution doesn't harm any regional disparities. So only option 1 is correct. Okay. Okay. Both not true. A is true and R is false. So option D is correct. Okay. A is true and F is false. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. The question is, what is true about? I think we have done that question. Okay. Blue revolution is associated with. Blue revolution is associated with, and we have options: A, agriculture; B, iron and steel industry; C, irrigation; and D, fishing. Okay. And that question was asked in Uttarakhand pieces. Now you have to say which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. Because in the previous slide, we have talked about the answer of these questions. In the previous slide, we have talked about the answers of these questions. So now you have to only choose the correct option. Now you have to only choose the correct option. Yeah, it's my humble request to all of you. Please try to choose the correct option of these questions. Okay, because as I told you, blue revolution is associated with the fishing. That is associated with the fishing industry. So that's true. Okay. So we have question number 36, and the correct answer will be option D. Now, the next question is, in which month is Ravi crop sown? In which month the Ravi crop is sown? Okay. In which month the Ravi crop is sown? And our options are: A, March and April; B, June, July; C, October, November; and D, January, February. And D, January, February. So anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions and tell me that which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. That which of the following is correct. CBI attitude, good morning, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Walaikum assalam, but it's not good morning, it's good evening. Well, Please try to attend these questions. C. Okay. Yeah, that's true. Because the Rabi crops is generally sown in the October and November. So option C is correct. So CBI, your answer is totally correct because in India we have three crops, and that is the Rabi, then Jayad, and then Kharif. Rabi crop is also known as winter crop. Is also known as winter crop because these are generally grown in the winter. So these are known as winter crops. Jayad is known as the you can say because these are rainy crops. You can say these are rainy crops, and these are the summer crops. These are the summer crops, and Rabi crops are generally sown in October and November. Okay, Jayads are generally sown in April to May because these are short terms, and Kharif are generally shown in June last to July. I mean June to July. So I think it's clear to all of you. Okay, CBI, yeah, October number, well done, doing well. Rabi, Fasal, Jayad, Kharif, yeah, you are right, totally well done. So now we'll move to the next question. Which one is an example of parallel cropping? Which one is an example of parallel cropping? A. Potato rice. B. Wheat mustard. C. Cotton and wheat. And D. Sorghum and potato. And D. Sorghum and potato. So, anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions. That what will be the correct option. So, first thing is there. Please try to understand that what is parallel cropping. That what is parallel cropping. That what is parallel cropping. So when someone asks you about the parallel cropping, then you can say, sir, parallel cropping is a cropping. Okay, option B. Okay, well done, doing well. CBI, you are really doing well, well done. So when someone asks you about the parallel cropping, so in parallel cropping, we generally shown two or more than two crops at the same time. At the in parallel cropping, we show two or more crops in a same field at the same time. Okay, I mean same time, or you can say same season. Okay, same time or same season, and the doesn't have a competition. These crops doesn't show any type of competitions, so these are known as parallel cropping. And second, next thing is there, they the cropping period, or you can say their cultivation period, should also be different because in the field of wheat and mustard, mustard will grow faster as compared to the wheat. So these are known as the parallel cropping, and these are generally on you can say these are maximum time, these are sown at the same time, but before the uh, before the before the cultivation of wheat, these will be cultivated. So that is the parallel cropping. Now we'll move to the next question, and our next question is, which group of crops mentioned below comprises of cash crops? Okay, so it's talking about the cash crops. Yeah, wheat mustard was correct, well done, CBI, well done. So our next question is, you are doing really well. The next question is, which group of crops mentioned below of cash crops? Okay, now you have to say which of the following is cash crops. Try to understand that which of the following is a cash crops. That which of the following is a cash crops. That which of the following is a cash crops. CBI, try to understand. Okay, he's saying B. Okay, B. Okay, I think it will take some time. Well, because first thing is that what is cash crops. First thing is that what is cash crops. What is cash crops? First thing is there that what is cash crops? Okay, saying say. So cash crops are those crops. Cash crops are those crops which are already sold, or you can say generally farmer shown them, generally farmer cultivate them, or you can generally farmer planted them for gain fast money and for gain easily money. So those type of crops are known as cash crops. Cash crops. Okay. So generally in these crops, mainly tea, tea, fruits, tea, some fruits, and tea, some cotton, and sugarcane. So these are the general example of cotton crops. After that, the rubber is also a cash crop. So in our options we have wheat, maize, and rice. That's impossible. B, gram, peas, and wheat, because wheat is there and wheat is not a cash crops. So we can eliminate that option. Okay. So we can eliminate the option. Option C, cotton, sugarcane, bananas. Cotton, sugarcane, bananas. Okay, that could be true. Third is the rice, gram, and tea, because rice is there and it's not a cash crops. So only option C is correct. Only option C is correct. Well done, CBIG. You are doing very well. Cotton, sugarcane, banana. Well done. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, these are two statements, okay? And that question was asked in ISP 2003. That question was asked in ISP 2003. The assertion or sentence is there: the eastern coast of India produces more rice than western coast. Okay, the eastern coast of India, because if we talk about the map of India, so that's saying the eastern coast of India, the eastern coast of India provide more than western coast. Okay. Second, the eastern coast receives more rainfall than the western coast. The eastern coast will uh, will get more rain as compared to western. So anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions. Okay, cotton, sugarcane, banana was correct. Okay, now CBI attitude is saying option B. Okay, it will take some time. Option B, option B. uh, CBI, please read the question again. I know that you are a good student, but read the question again, then you can gain the exact answer, because there is something zumbling in the question, and it's a tricky question, because generally UPSC asks tricky questions. So please read again. If you will read again, then you will find the correct option. Then you will find the correct option. Well, I think I should start, because the option first is there. Statement is there that the eastern coast of India produces more rice than the western coast. Yeah, that's true. That's true, because in the eastern coast, we have West Bengal, West Bengal, Odisha, Tamil Nadu, these type of areas. So that's true that it will. That's true that these will provide the maximum. This will provide the maximum when we talk about the rice. So that's true. Second is there, eastern coast receives more rainfall than the western coast. Is it possible? Is it possible that the eastern coast? Is it possible that the eastern coast will receive more water? No, it's impossible, because in India generally the monsoon enters from the Kerala. The monsoon enters from the Kerala. So you can say, sir, that that is impossible, because generally the maximum water will be in that area, in the western coast. Okay, so only uh, okay, so we have only option D, sorry, option C. A is true but R is false. A is true but R is false. Okay, option D. No, 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 not option D, because A is true. Na, A is true. Eastern coast of India produces more rice. Yeah, that's true, because that area produces more rice. That area produces more rice. But when we talk about the rain, when we talk about the rain, so that area will get the maximum rain. So that's why I'm saying that this question was tricky. Now we'll move to the next question, and our next question is, And our next question is, green revolution has, that's question number, okay, B. Well, green revolution has resulted in growth of food grain production in India. Okay, I think we have done that question again. So that's question number 12. Okay, sorry, 42. In India, rice is cultivated in the areas having over. In India, okay, the question is, in India, rice is cultivated in the areas having over, okay, A, 20 centimeter annual rainfall, B, 30 centimeter annual rainfall, C, 16 centimeter annual rainfall, and D, 100 centimeter annual rainfall. So now you have to say which of the following is correct. Now you have to say which of the following is correct, because in India, when we talk about the rice, as you know that the rice needs maximum water. Rice needs maximum water. So if you know this concept easily, so you can tackle the correct answer, because in India, mainly the rice is cultivated in the areas having over 100 centimeter annual rainfall. Okay, over 100 centimeter annual rainfall, maximum in these area, maximum in these area. Yeah, that's visible properly. So it's a good thing. So in India, rice is cultivated. That's question number 43. With reference to cultivation of kharif in the last 5 years, consider the following statements. Okay, and this B, cotton, C, maize, and D, sugarcane, and D, sugarcane. Now you have to say which of the following crop is known as white gold in Maharashtra, because in Maharashtra the cropping of, okay, in Maharashtra uh, the cropping of cotton is found in a huge amount. Okay, and the maximum farmers try to cultivate cottons. Okay, and the cotton seeds provides the cotton. For your good information, the cotton extracted from the cotton seeds, then you should remember that thing. Okay, so we have option C, because in Maharashtra the cotton is the area of cotton is increasing, and the production is also increasing. So we can say that the cotton is known as the white gold in Maharashtra. Cotton is known as white gold in Maharashtra. So option C is correct. So option C is correct. Now we have question number 45. Okay, we have question number 45. Consider the following statements. Okay, we have to consider the following statements, and that question was asked in ISP 2003. The question was asked in ISP 2003. So I'm sure that you can correlate. Now the question is, India is the original home of cotton plants. Okay, India is original home of cotton plants. Yeah, that's true, because in India, the cotton plants in India, the cotton plants are or you can say are the natural habitat. Cotton plants are the natural habitat of these plants. Okay, of these. So that's true. So that's true. Second, India is the first country in the world to develop hybrid cotton variety, leading to increased production. Yeah, that's true, because in India, in the whole world, India is the first country who has used the BT cotton, who has used the BT cotton, which is one of the hybrid cotton, BT cotton, BT cotton. So that's true. Both are correct. Okay. So which of the following statements are correct? So you can say so option C is correct, because both statements are correct. Because both statements are correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following crops are grown mainly in the irrigated area during Zaid? Okay, in the irrigated area during Zaid. So because in the previous classes we have discussed about the three main crops, that is the Rabi, Zaid, that is Rabi, Jaid, and Kharif. We have Rabi, Jaid, and Kharif. And generally in Rabi, we have winter crops. We have winter crops. And in Jaid, we have, you can say, these are also known as the uh, rainy crops. And because these are generally sown between the Rabi crops and Kharif crops. These are sown generally in between the Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Well, you can say after the crop of Rabi, these are sown. Okay, and in the Jad crops, we have short developing. We have short developing substances, or you can say crops. That is the moong, that is moong, urad, dhaicha, sanai, sunhemp. Okay, dhaicha, sanai, sunhemp. Okay, and after that you can say kheera, then watermelon, muskmelon. So these are the crops which are sown at the time of Jad, So we have option 2 is correct. Now the next question is, breeding works on sugarcane is being done at. Again, breeding work on sugarcane is being done at A. Lucknow, B. Shahjahanpur, C. Sravasti, and D. Coimbatore. And that question was asked in UPPSC 2009. That question was asked in UPPSC 2009. So anyone who is live, please try to attend these questions and provide me the correct option. So the answer is SBI, Sugarcane Breeding Institute. Sugarcane Breeding Institute is found in the Coimbatore. Sugarcane Breeding Institute is found in the Coimbatore. So we have option D is correct. Now the next question is, which factor have facilitated facilitated the location shift to the sugar industry from North India to South India? And I'm sure that all of you have been aware about that data, that the sugarcane cropping area is decreasing day by day in the north belt as comparison to southern belt. Okay, and in southern belt the cropping area of sugarcane is increasing. So what is the reason behind that? So option is A, per acre higher yielding of sugarcane. Okay, second, higher sucrose content of sugarcane. C, longer crushing seasons. And D, cheap labor. Okay, so please tell me what will be the correct option. I am still waiting for a response, that what will be the correct option. Everyone, please try to provide me the correct option of given question. Please try to provide me the correct option of given question. Well, now we will try to eliminate these some options. A, per acre high yield of sugarcane. That's true, because in southern area the per acre, or you can say productivity, is higher than the northern belts. That's true. Second, higher sucrose content in the sugarcane. Yeah, because the sugarcane of southern belt are very longer and they have much higher content of sugar as comparison to northern area sugarcane. So both are correct. Third is the longer crushing season. Yeah, that's also true, because those area have high yielding sugar canes. So that's why they have longer sugarcane seasons, or you can say longer sugarcane crushing seasons. So these are correct. Fourth is the cheap labor. No, because in southern area there is no cheap labors. Cheap labors are generally found in northern belt, or you can say mainly in the UP Bihar. So that's not correct. So option 4 is not there. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Okay. So we have option C is correct. We have option C is correct. Now we'll move to the next question. Which one among the following states of India is called sugar ball? Okay. Which one among the following states of India is called sugar ball? Means chini ka katora. Which of the following is known as the sugar ball of India? And we have options A. Okay. And we have options A, Uttar Pradesh, B, Maharashtra, C, Bihar, D, Haryana. And that question was asked in Bihar pieces in 2018. That question was asked in Bihar pieces in 2018. So please try to tackle these questions. That what will be the correct option of these questions? That what will be the correct option of these questions? So as you know that from the ancient time, the production of sugarcane is very high in the Uttar Pradesh. So we can say Uttar Pradesh is known as the sugar ball of India, because at the time of India's independence, maximum sugar mills are available in the Uttar Pradesh. So you can say that's why that's why it is known as the sugar ball of India. That's why it is known as the, or you can say it was known as the sugar ball of India. Now we have question number next. Which of the following groups belong to fiber crops? Okay. Which of the following crops belong to fiber crops? A, purson, gram, lancet. B, lentil, oat, dhacha. Okay. C, cotton, jute, sunhemp. And D, jute, wheat, cotton. D, jute, wheat, cotton. Because and that question was asked in UPPSC mains 2017. If you have single knowledge, then you can eliminate some options too, because in the options A we have persons, lancet, gram. If you have no idea about the person and gram, but we have some idea about the gram, because gram are legumes, and they doesn't provide the fiber crops, so that's not correct. B, lentil, dhacha, and oat, because these are not the these are oat and lentil, these are not the fiber crops, that's incorrect. C, cotton, jute, sunhemp. So because we don't have any idea. Third is there jute, wheat, and cotton, because wheat is not a fiber crops, so we can eliminate all these three options. So option A is correct, option C is correct, cotton that cotton, jute, and sunhemp, these are the group of, okay, these are the group of yeah, these are the group of fiber crops. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. Which of the following statement is are correct regarding sugar industry? Which of the following statement is are correct regarding the sugar industry? A, India accounts for more than 15% of total sugar production of the world. That's true. Second, sugar industry is second largest agricultural based industry in India. That's true. Third, India is the biggest consumer of sugar. That's true. India is the largest producer of sugar. No, we are not the largest producer of sugar. Brazil is the largest producer of sugar. Cuba, sorry, that's not correct. So we can eliminate option 4. So this is not correct. This is not correct. We have option 1, 2, 3. We have option 1, 2, 3 because we are the largest consumer of sugar. Okay. Second, India's accounts. So we have option C, 1, 2, 3 is correct. Okay. Now we'll move to the next question. And our next question is, consider the following statements. A, molasses is a byproduct of sugar production process. B, bagasse obtained from sugar mill is used as a fuel in the boilers to generate steam in the sugar factories. C, sugar can only be produced from sugar cane as the raw material. No. Sugar can only not the sugar. Many things can be produced, so that's not correct. Molasses is a byproduct of sugar production of process. Yeah, that's true. Because molasses is a byproduct of sugar cane mills. That's true. B, bagasse obtained, because we can eliminate the option 3, so that's not correct, that's not correct. Okay, and that's not correct, so option 1 is correct. If you don't have any idea but you can eliminate some options, so we have option 2 is correct. So bagasse obtained from the sugar mill is used as a fuel in the boilers to generate steam in the sugar factory. That's true. Okay, so we have done all the questions, and I hope all of you have enjoyed that session, because in this session we have talked all the important sessions, all the important topics which are relevant for your examinations, because we will try to provide you maximum input which can help you to crack the exam. So, and I hope you will like these sessions. If you like these sessions, then please like and share these sessions. And you haven't subscribed our channel, then please subscribe our channel. That's mandatory. That's enough for today. Have a nice day.